Welcome to Data Finance 365. Today we're diving into one of the biggest stories of the week in politics and in finance, and the stock market's massive rally following Donald Trump's re-election. Yep, that's right. Trump is said to be both the 45th and the 47th president of the United States. Early Wednesday morning, Wisconsin's call put him over the top, according to the Associated Press. And as soon as the news broke, the stock market exploded. The Dow Jones jumped nearly 1,400 points. So what's driving this historic rally? And more importantly, what could it mean for the economy and your pocket going forward? Let's get into it. First, let's break down the numbers. The Dow Jones surged up 1,400 points, or about 3.4% in just one trading day. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq also soared with gains of 2.4% and 2.7% respectively. This isn't just any rise. This is investors signaling serious confidence in the direction they think the economy would head under President Trump in the White House. So why are investors so hyped up? A lot of it boils down to the expectations around Trump's fiscal policy. His administration is known for a pro-business stance, especially through policies like tax cuts and deregulation. And that's music to Wall Street ears. Investors are already betting that big players, especially in financials, could benefit from relaxed regulation and lower taxes. Financial stocks, including heavyweights like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs, saw tremendous big jumps as a result. But it's not just the banks cashing in. Industrial and energy sectors also made significant gains. Companies in these areas are anticipating policy changes that could ease restrictions and maybe even open up new revenue streams. Imagine infrastructure spending picking up or energy policies loosening up. It's clear why investors are excited. Now, not every sector is celebrating. Renewable energy stocks also took a bit of a hit. Companies like Fast Solar and Enphase Energy saw a slide as investors braced for possible rollbacks on environmental incentives. Trump's past administration leaned more on traditional energy sources, so the market's expecting similar priorities this time around, which could spell challenges for clean energy. And the bond market had its own reaction. Treasury yields jumped, with the 10-year yield climbing to around 4.5%. So what's really behind this massive rally? Higher yields typically signal that investors are expecting more government borrowing. Think about potential infrastructure spending. All this creates a bit of a balancing act for the economy. So what's the big picture here? This rally signals big-time optimism that Trump's policies could boost growth, especially in traditional industries. In addition, Trump has some ambitious tax plans for his second term, including extending his 2017 tax cuts and proposing new breaks on Social Security payments, no taxes on tips, and even no taxes on overtime income. If these policies get through, they could pump even more fuel, more money into the economy. So looking ahead, expect some market improvements. And investors are closely watching Trump's policy moves right now. If the pro-business policies continue and roll out smoothly, we could see even more market gains, which means more money in your pocket, because that is more money in your 401k, more money in your brokerage accounts, simply because the market will be rallying in that response. So there you have it. This 1,400-point surge isn't just a knee-jerk reaction or a one-off event. It's a sign of big hopes for the future. But like always, we'll be keeping an eye on the stock market and what this means for your pocket and any of the investments going forward. If you did enjoy this breakdown, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when you post a video such as this one. Till next time, stay positive. Peace.